The Malaysian Timber Council (MTC) marked a meaningful step forward in cultivating ESG awareness among its workforce through its first ever internal sustainability engagement program, 2030 SDGs Game, held at MTC Headquarters on 29 May 2025. Organised in collaboration with the Selangor Human Resource Development Centre (SHRDC), the half-day workshop immersed staff in thought-provoking interactive simulation that brought the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs) to life. The session was expertly facilitated by IRTS Dr. Lim Mee Wei. The participants were encouraged to balance personal objectives with broader social, environmental, and economic considerations, offering a dynamic platform to experience the complexities of sustainable decision-making. In her opening remarks, MTC CEO Madam Noraihan Abdul Rahman emphasized that it was an opportunity for staff to reflect deeply, build stronger team connections, and recognize how their daily choices, both at work and in their personal life, can have a far-reaching impact on the community, the timber industry, and the world at large. The program also featured a Kahoot quiz session reinforcing key concepts on sustainability, ESG, and the SDGs in a fun, gamified format.